Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using AutoCAD and suddenly notice that your object snap, also known as OSNAP, has stopped working, don't panic. You're not alone, and the fix is usually simpler than you think. In this video, I'll walk you through clear, step-by-step solutions to get OSNAP working again. Check if OSNAP is enabled, OSNAP. First, ensure that OSNAP is active. Press F3 on your keyboard to toggle it on or off. Alternatively, type OSNAP in the command line and press Enter to access and adjust the settings. Confirm that snap modes like endpoint, midpoint, and intersection are selected. Adjust drafting settings, options. Drafting tab, where you can adjust how object snap, OSNAP, works and improve your drafting accuracy and speed. 1. Type options in the command line. 2. Open the drafting tab. 3. Make sure marker, magnet, and display AutoSnap tooltip are all enabled. These settings improve the visibility of snap points and help you work more efficiently. Check the AutoSnap setting, AutoSnap. AutoSnap doesn't control snapping itself. It controls how snapping looks and feels. Here's what it enables. 1. Snap marker, icon like square, triangle, etc. 2. Magnet effect, cursor pulls to snap point. 4. Tooltip showing snap type, e.g., midpoint. 8. Aperture box display. 16. Flashing marker when snapping. 32. Snap sound. These are bitcode values. You can combine them by adding them together. Type AUTOSNAP in the command line. Set AutoSnap equals 63 to turn on all features. Monitor system performance, SYSMON. Performance issues can affect AutoCAD functionality, including OSNAP. Use the SYSMON command to monitor system resources and identify any bottlenecks or conflicts. Type SYSMON into the command line. Press Enter. Type 1 to enable system monitoring, or 0 to turn it off. When it's enabled, 1. AutoCAD starts watching for performance issues in the background and may give you alerts or write to logs. Reset AutoCAD to default settings. RESETUI. If none of these solutions work, if AutoCAD is misbehaving and you want to reset everything, not just the user interface, Windows 11 offers a few ways to fully restore AutoCAD to its original factory settings. This can resolve underlying issues affecting OSNAP. Close AutoCAD completely. Click the Windows Start menu. Search for your version of AutoCAD, e.g., AutoCAD 2023. Under the AutoCAD app list, you'll see Reset Settings to Default. Click it, then confirm when prompted. Switch to 2D Wireframe mode, Fast Shaded Mode. Working in a 3D visual style can sometimes interfere with OSNAP. Use the Fast Shaded Mode command to switch to 2D Wireframe mode, ensuring snapping works accurately. Type Fast Shaded Mode in the command line. Press Enter. Enter the number for the visual style you want. Verify Object Elevation, ELEV. If your object snap, OSNAP, isn't working properly, especially in 2D drawings, there's a good chance some objects are placed at the wrong elevation, Z-axis value. The ELEV command in AutoCAD helps you control the elevation for new objects, making sure they are drawn on the correct plane. To check an object's elevation, select the object. Right-click and choose Properties. Look under the Geometry section for the Start Z, End Z, or Elevation field. This ensures snapping works seamlessly, especially in 3D drawings. Conclusion. I hope one of these solutions helped you fix the OSNAP issue in your AutoCAD project. Sometimes it's a small setting, other times it's something deeper, like system performance or file corruption. But now you know how to handle it all. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another helpful tip. Got questions or ran into a unique issue? Drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.